everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniela and welcome to another episode of Magical Life Mondays. So I am not proud to say this, I am guilty. This is an old video. 2 Disney Fridays ago, I posted that I went back to Disney World for my friend's bachelorette party. Well, this is me packing for that bachelorette party and the check-in day. We're just gonna jump straight into me packing for a 5-day Disney World trip. You already know the drill. Got a drink in my hand, Disney fireworks playing in the background. Let's start packing my bags. So if you're wondering where I'm going to Walt Disney World again. Look at my luggage, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this luggage so much. So this is a special trip because this is actually for a bachelorette party. Ooh. My closest friend Nicole is getting married and her bachelorette trip is in Disney World and we're going. Now, I am going to be in Disney World longer than I was last month. We're going to be there for 5 days. So your girl is checking in a bag. Honestly, inside of this luggage is going to be like my full hair care products and full body products that I want to take with me. Like this, for example, right here. This right here is the Fenty hair. This is the rich one. This is their shampoo and conditioner. This is my Ride and Die shampoo and conditioner. Is one of the only ones that work in my hair right now that does not have my hair flake like crazy. All right, got the Ziploc. Just gonna be putting them like this in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna honestly roll it like that, and that's all that's gonna go into the Ziploc bag is that. Okay, and then I'm gonna be putting that inside of this pocket right here. We got my girl Cinderella here. We're gonna start with packing her. I am going to be packing my makeup removers. Okay, this is an amazing balm. This is by Glow Recipe. This is the Papaya Sherbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I love this stuff. I'm going to use this size bag here just to put that. I'm just going to be taking this just in case. This is just micellar water by Garnier. I'm going to be taking this Belief cleanser with me. It is a perfect travel size and I'm in the process of changing my skincare routine, so I'm hoping this is going to help out. And that's going into this pocket as well. Just going to fold it right there. In the smaller Cinderella bag, I'm actually going to be putting my body care products in here. I am definitely going to bring my Way products with me again. This smelled amazing and felt amazing on my skin. This is the body cleanser in St. Bart's. This is the body cream. But this time, I'm going to bring the full-size hair and body mist, which is still travel friendly, by the way, so you could definitely take this on the plane. This time though, I am going to be wrapping the body cleanser in a tissue because last time this did definitely explode a little bit into the bag. Then the lotion fits in there perfectly. Then we have the body mist. I'm just going to be throwing in these 2 perfumes. This is Replica Beach Walk. I used this last time. I smelled amazing. And I'm going to take Burberry Her. This is for a specific reason, but I have this much left and I intend to use it on this trip. Very happy. Love that. And I'm going to be putting this directly underneath. So now the small Cinderella bag, this is actually where I'm going to be putting my dental stuff. We're back with the itty bitty little toothpaste. I love this toothpaste so much and I love the fact that it's so itty bitty. Okay, so next we... Oh, shoot. Okay. Bottles filled. Woo! Here is my travel toothbrush for this trip. Shout out to my mom for buying me it. We're doing a little bit of an unboxing of a toothbrush. That was very satisfying, actually. So it opens from here and is a retractable. This is very blue. Just realized I'm kind of coordinating very nicely. There is like a perfect little corner right here where everything is going. So that's going there. We have my exfoliating scrubby silicone thingy. I'm just going to be putting it inside of this little Disney Princess Bumpkin bag. Look at this adorable little packing cube. I'm actually obsessed. I think it's absolutely adorable. But let me tell you, when you are in Florida, you need these. These are both by Hawaiian Tropics. This is the Silk Hydration Clear Spray Sunscreen. This is an SPF 50. And then I have my After Sun Lotion. This one is superior, okay? The smell, it smells so delicious. This is my favorite one. And it's so hard to find in stores. I have to order these online. Listen. The Sunbum Cool Down is one of my favorite aloe gels that are in the market for summer. I'm definitely going to be taking this just in case I get burned anytime during the day. I'm going to be throwing in this mist right here. This is by Bath & Body Works. This is the Moana scent that actually fits perfectly. And I think there's still more room to fit stuff, but for now, that's what we're doing. Hey, it's me. You want to know something? Is that I'm actually a genius and I didn't even know it. I really was thinking about bringing my full tubs of Scala, and I forgot that I packed 2 minis, so there should be plenty in here for 4 days worth of hairstyles, right? I literally freaked out because I thought I did not have this at all, but turns out I have a travel size bottle. I'm gonna be using this bag to put all my hair stuff in. Throw in this baby. For sure we're taking this nice big bottle of water. But for sure we're taking my water spray. These 2 hairbrushes are coming as well. This one is for detangling and this one's for slicking back as well. But it's also Miss Piggy and Kermit. So I think the reason why packing takes me so long sometimes is because I recalculate like everything. So like that's definitely going in here. I'm gonna move this. My hair care stuff, I feel like putting it inside of this pocket here. This is actually technically a sandwich bag by Bumpkins. Inside here, I do have pads because a girl can never not be too prepared. I don't know which Loungefly to take. This is one of my Loungeflies I'm going to be taking because I think it's just too cute and I love it so much and is Pixar themed. And we're going to be, of course, putting some stuff inside. Like this front pocket here. So yeah, this is just a this is just a precaution just in case I do get an allergic reaction because I do need to have Benadryl on me. I'm also going to be throwing in these 2 items right here. This is by Vigo and this is their avocado bubbling face mask. I love these so much. Off camera, I'm going to fill this up with my vitamins of choice. They're fully packed. There are 10 vitamins in here because I'm there for 5 days. So I am going to be putting it inside of my bag. This is one of the first snacks I'm going to be taking. These are by Solely Organic. They're mango and orange fruit gummies. They're really good. I just tried one with my husband off camera. They're just these bags right here. They're perfect for on the go. And I love taking snacks with me on my Disney trips just in case I get hungry. So these are coming with. I'm also throwing this inside of this bag. This is a Glide for her. This is an anti-chafe stick. I'm going to try to see if it works at Disney because I get really bad chafing and nothing really works. So I might take this makeup bag as well. High-key because I love the fact that there is a mirror. Hey. So I am going to try to find a way to pack this into my bag. I just wanted to show you this really cool thing that I got in Dollar Tree. So I got this at Dollar Tree. It's actually an eyelash holder and I love it because it really keeps it compact into one space. Also, this is what we're looking like so far. I'm trying to figure something out because I need to somehow put my Whippet in here. There it is, you guys. It is filled with the makeup I'm going to need for the trip. Okay, I had to put my makeup inside here. I'm hoping this fits. I don't know how I do it, you guys. Now. No! I'm gonna crash out. No! Did you think we were done packing? Oh no, I need a second luggage. If you're wondering what happened to the other one, my husband had to come in and like legit stuff it for it to fit. And yeah, it was an adventure. I'm sweating. Now we need to pack my shoes and my outfits into this bag here. We're back with packing cubes. These are going to be my best friends. I have 2 activewear dresses that are coming with me on this trip for sure. And put the 2 inside of one. And then we have another one. I wore this one last time. Inside of this one here are going to be some dressy dresses for my dressier days. So I'm taking 3 different dress options. All 3 of them are from Shein. This dress is a curvaceous dress on me, which means it shows. If I don't feel like a dressy mood, I have this gorgeous green romper. And finally, we have this one here. This is just a gorgeous pink dress. As you can see, I do have a common theme. I like bright colors. So we're going to use this one as well. Inside here is going to be t-shirts. Now, I have a specific t-shirt for one day that is not going to be shown because it is a surprise. Inside here as well, I'm going to pack my pajamas. And then I'm going to bring this Pixar shorts and t-shirt set just in case. I tell you, I love packing cubes. Packing cubes are a lifesaver. I love them so much. I am really out of breath. Here are my 2 short options. It's either going to be these really cute ones right here. I love how these fit. Or these black shorts. They're really comfortable. They're a little baggy. So I've lined it here. I love how this is turning out. So this is pretty deep, but we have enough room to honestly fit 2 lounge flies there. I'm going to be taking these 2 lounge flies, Slimpy. I have 3 bathing suit options that are going to come with me on this trip. I love my black bottoms. I can actually put the bottoms inside of here. This is the cover up I'm going to be bringing. This cover up is so special because I got this in Mexico. Look how beautiful it is. I love. First bathing suit option is a unique one that I've never worn in my collection before. It's a 1-piece bathing suit, but it has cutouts on the front and the back. I love me a good tankini or a bathing suit that fits my cup size. Now, unfortunately, a lot of my bathing suits don't anymore. I have this really cute one. I love the colors. I love how it fits on me. And I also have this one as well. And then I'm going to be taking these Primark flip-flops. I love Primark's flip-flops. They're the best flip-flops. I am a size small. Woohoo! Now, keep in mind, my shoes are not in here. I'm going to try to see if I can fit some here. Boom! So I'm going to try to wear these to the parks this time around. These are a pair of Skechers. They are same memory foam. These I've actually worn to the gym only. I feel like a black shoe with my blue dress is definitely going to be a little bit of an eyesore, but I need to think about comfort. So, and we're bringing the old reliable. These are like, let me tell you, my favorite. They're just so cute, so comfortable, and best part, no laces. Oh, beautiful. That's my love.
I'm here to the rescue.
So this is actually a wet bag by Bumpkins. I love this bag so much. I'm going to take this strictly for the pool, but I'm going to be putting my underwears and my socks in here, and I'm going to roll it up and put it inside of this one right here. So why do I miscalculate everything? Boom. Okay. Oh my gosh, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. I'm going to put this out in front so it's all ready for us to go. I am going to clean up the massive mess that is on my bed and out here. Okay, let's go take a plane ride to Disney. Good morning. We're on the road bright and early. It is currently 4:54 in the morning. I'm on my way to the airport right now. My husband's taking me. See you at the airport. We made it to check-in. It's 5:46. We're doing good timing. Also, Daisy's here. My little Disney Labubu. I feel like I'm in a never-ending tunnel. So that's where we're staying. We're staying in Saratoga Springs. It's pretty. And it's like peaceful. Hello, I'm a hot mess. My hair has gotten big, but we've made it. Smooth flight. Gonna check in and then we go. Oh, look, I had a Mickey. Cute. This is actually so cute. But I'm gonna go back inside because I kind of left everybody, so. This is legit the best thing ever. So we're here for a bachelorette, but now we're here for a bath party. Okay, we're currently in the Artist's Palette, and that's what it looks like. It's actually a shop right next door, and then the buffet's over there. Your girl is Mimi. Your girl is excited, and she's just ready to step foot inside the park. Look how gorgeous it is. I'm obsessed. I love the horses on the side. So Saratoga Spring is very horse themed. So this is really cool. It's called the Winter Circle. Ooh, is this the pool? It is. Oh, wow. It's actually a really nice pool. I really like that. I did my first pin trade. I had a pineapple upside down cake stitch and I got a Mushu, which I think this is from one of the newest ones. So it was a really good pinboard find. And I got my magic band. I got the Lady and the Tramp one. Really, really cute.
In this is in 2016.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's their bus stop.
2241.
I could go outside. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is like truly my happiness right here. It's just, wait, I'm actually kind of obsessed. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. So we did have a little bit of mishap with check-in, but that's okay. We got to this room a lot later than we anticipated, so we're gonna be rushing to get ready, and then we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom for a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So let's start my Disney trip.